In this video we show how to replace the quick string spool on a foldable DEWALT 20V max 14-inch string trimmer. Removing the whole spool head and to install a new one is very simple. The reason for replacing it is because we lost the inside spring while cleaning it and can't find the replacement. The lost spring sits between the bump cap here and the spool. Without it, the string juice keeps unwinding while bumping it. So the spring is what relocks the spool after you bump it to release more string when needed. This is the new one we ordered, which is an improved version, they say. It's a little larger than the original. This is the number, and it also fits 3 other model trimmers. I'll leave a link in the description for more information. By the way, it comes already spooled with new string. It's not necessary to take the cover and reel off to remove the old one. But since it's already apart, it will give you a better visual how it's attached to the axle. To lock the axle from spinning, just insert a screwdriver in the hole on the side between the spool and the motor. Then twist the spool clockwise to loosen it. The thread on the axle is reversed. And the new one, of course, gets tightened counterclockwise. For a 1-year review video of this trimmer, click on the link at the end of this video. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video. And you all have a great day.